Are you looking for a lifetime roof system for your property? I'm Carlos Rodriguez, owner and chief enthusiasm officer of Mr. Roofing. In this video, I will guide you through our process to provide the information you need when choosing a contractor. 40% of our business is repairing or replacing a 3 to 7 year old roof, and the owners can't find the original contractor. I'm going to help you avoid the common mistakes if you're dealing with the average or below average contractors. This way, you'll make the best decision for your property so your roof will last a lifetime, ensuring the best experience without wasting time, money, or resources. The most important decision is to choose the right contractor. If you choose the right contractor, you'll get the job done through a seamless and guided process, ensuring you'll have a great experience, saving you from any heartache. The next decision is to choose the right system based on the needs of your property and addressing the aesthetics of your preference. And finally, you need to choose the right warranty. Choosing the right warranty will cover you for a lifetime and protect you if your contractor disappears. Most property owners qualify a contractor by asking only 2 questions. How much will it cost, and when can you start? If you only ask these 2 questions, studies show that the likelihood of you being completely satisfied is about 48% or less. You should be asking many more questions because there's so much more to consider, and we will guide you through our consultative educational process that's called the 5 Ps. P1, we begin by addressing the problem. What are the problems you're experiencing, and how can we help you avoid any future problems? Is it repairs, replacement, a fully integrated roof system? We bring up all the questions you should ask to clarify all of your doubts. P2, what are the right products to solve your problems? From performance to warranties, certifications, and varieties, our team will guide you with the options that best suit your needs. P3, what are the right processes to install the right products to solve your problems? We ensure a great experience from start to finish by assigning project managers, holding meetings, using checklists, and conducting final walkthroughs while prioritizing safety. We're committed to giving you and your property the utmost care and providing a great experience. P4, who are the right people to follow the right processes to install the right product to solve your problems? The ideal professionals will make a significant difference when choosing a contractor and not just a product. With Mr. Roofing, you're relying on experience and commitment to excellence as we invest in the training of our professionals to understand your needs and give 100% customer satisfaction. P5, that's the last question. What's the right price? What's the right price for the people to follow the right processes, to install the right products, to solve your problems? Determining the total cost is the easiest part of choosing the right contractor, because you're either going to do it the right way and invest in your property, or you're going to do it the wrong way and you're going to burn money and waste time. For your confidence, we provide you with transparent information and even access to financial solutions to help you move forward with us. Everyone says they work with the best materials and the best people, but we measure it. By choosing Mr. Roofing, we guarantee you'll be completely satisfied, not just with the roof or the solar installation, but with the whole experience in working with us. Our exceptional service will have you recommending us to your friends and family as the best and safest choice, a gesture that we deeply value. Contact our award-winning team today for a roof that will last a lifetime. Oh, there is a bonus P, your peace of mind, and that begins with us.